So, guys, it is as simple as it looks. Yeah. So, let's start with the kitchen. So this is the kitchen. So yeah, there is this is the kitchen counter. So the kitchen is quite spacious, it's quite big. So this is where I place the blender, toaster, microwave, water heater, and the mixer. Then here I just put the food stuff and some, what is it called, utensils. These are my spices, cereals, as in. So this is where I put the utensils when washed. Yeah. So yeah, there's a few utensils here not washed because I was cooking. Yeah. So I made some soup, fish soup, and rice. So yeah. And then there is the, what is it called, it's like a store, it's like a kitchen store, right? So this is where the laundry is done. Yeah. So yeah, this is the sink outside. Hopefully this I want a washing machine here, so like I said, one step at a time. So I'm supposed to, I don't know if these clothes are done. I'm supposed to unhang them. Yeah, that's it. That's my neighbor's balcony. So yeah, I feel like they're supposed to be what is it called, kitchen dining. Yeah, that's my fridge. Yeah, I think that's it for the kitchen and the laundry area. Oh, so another thing, this is like by choice. Like, you see, I love two burners because they cook way faster compared to the four burners. So this is just like what I prefer, honestly. That's why I have the oven like separately, right? And this oven is very efficient, honestly. It does the work, but so that's why, yeah. Ramtons is always a nice company when it comes to appliances. So basically, Hot Point. So this is the living room. I'm using this as the dining temporarily, yeah, but it's supposed to be in the kitchen. I think it's a better kitchen dining or my front balcony, but you'll see. That's the water dispenser. Yeah, so the water here, yes, Nairobi water comes sometimes, but then, to be safe, I just use the dispenser water. So yeah, that's my TV unit. Same thing, I want to update the TV unit that's gonna match the coffee table. Like I said, one step at a time. So my couch, I really love this couch. Oh yeah, and my carpet got burnt. I know most of you all know why. But anyway, I really hate that fact because it was a very, very nice carpet. So I need to update this. I really like the couch. I got it from Furniture Palace. They normally have like a, what is it called, the media sale, which is normally like 50% off. So guys, you should check them out. So it's an L seat, very, very big. So I had it in my previous house, which was like a one bedroom, and you see it's still okay even in this bigger place. So yeah, it's like a 6-seater. Yeah, it's very, very big and very, very comfortable. So it doesn't come with the pillows, so the pillows you buy separately. So yeah, and then of course you need a blanket. It's how do I call it, like a throw blanket. Yeah, so yeah, that's just like the house phone for, you know, communicating with the security and all. And then have my plants here, 2 of them. So they are real plants, not fake, real plants. So yeah, the curtains, I got them from TC, Tiles and Carpets. They have good quality curtains. So yeah, I got them from TC. Like I said, the plants, they are real plants. They're not the plastic plants. But the issue with the real plants is they wear out, right? So you have to, because you know, when you're putting them indoors, there's no enough sunlight. So I have to like keep on buying new ones. I think like 3 times a year. So anyway, I still prefer the real ones. I don't like plastic ones. These ones look better to me. So, but if you take care of them even better, they can stay for longer. But you see, without sun, they're still going to wear out after a while. So anyway, I love how big the windows are, so there is enough lighting coming in, but still I need to use the artificial lighting when filming. So yeah, so there is like a house phone, you know, for communicate. You can communicate like to the security, and you can communicate like you can call another house if you know their number. So yeah, so this is the best part of the house, the view. This has to be the best part of the house, the view. This view is just breathtaking, you know. So I spend most of the time here relaxing, you know, and just thinking, reflecting and all. So this is there's like a, you know, the artificial carpet. So more is supposed to be done out here. So when I update the house, then we'll do another tour. So this is what I'm seeing from this angle. This is what I'm seeing from this angle. So yeah, this is just a decorative stuff. I got this set of cards from Great Rift actually. Yeah, so you know, like when you have guests, you guys are bored, you can play. So it's actually very interesting cards, like it's like animals and stuff, and you get to learn about the name of the animals, like from Kiswahili to English. So I think it's made for tourists, not us. So yeah, so this is like a corridor, like a pathway. Yeah, and this is my makeup bag. I mostly do my makeup here sometimes, you know. And then it leads to the 2 rooms and the bathroom and the washroom, the guest washroom. So this is the guest washroom. This is the guest bathroom. So mostly I also use this to put the, you know, the laundry. So yeah, so let's see the first bedroom. This is the first bedroom. These are the, you know, cupboards, and you know, this is the closet. It comes with a mirror. So yeah, so this bed is not ready made. It was made from scratch, you know, with like a fundi. So yeah, he does a good job. I'll leave his number below. If you like the bed, you can contact him. He does quite a good job. So this is like a guest bedroom, right? So this is the view from this is the view view from this bedroom. This is what you see. So yeah, so the windows are like, you know, you just slide them like this and like that. Same thing with the curtains from TC. They also had a, did they have an offer? Can I remember? They also normally have an offer like during the year, so that's the time I normally shop from this, you know, these shops. I don't shop like a normal on a normal day. I wait for, I'm so good at waiting for the sales. So yeah, so you can see the laundry area from here. Yeah, yeah, I think it's a decent size for a guest room. So yeah, that's it for the guest room. Also the beddings, this ones, this bed covers, I'll leave her number below. Like, she has good throw covers, you know. It's just a cover, it makes a big difference on your bed. So yeah, that's it for this room. I think there's space for a side table, so like I said, we'll do an updated tour. So the master bedroom, so this is a bit bigger. So same thing, the bed is not ready-made, it was like made from scratch. Again, I'll give you guys their number. And same thing, the beddings, the not really what is it called, not everything, but the throw, you see this throw, I really like it, makes a difference with the bed. So I'll give you guys her number. Curtains, the same thing, TC. So this room has a fan, because when it is hot, hey, it is hot, you know. I don't know why, but I feel like because the sun normally rises from this side, so when it's summer, like when it's very, very hot, you feel it, like you can't ignore, you just start sweating. So I made sure, like, hey, I've I've catered for that sector, you know. So yeah, this is the fan I got, and it's by Venus. There's a company called Venus. I really like it because it's black, like it's matte black, you know. There's something about it being black that makes it look so exotic. I don't know if it's just me or you guys can see it too, but I really like it. So it's a, I don't think it's a very known company, but I like it, it works well. So yeah, the room comes with a mirror, but of course I want to update this space here and get maybe a dressing mirror or something. But yeah, I like good things, so it will take out some time. Yeah, so yeah, for now I'm just using, it's like a full mirror, so I'm just using this for now. What else? Yeah, the closet. So I'll show you guys my closet one day. I'll show you what's going on in there, but it's chaos, I promise you. So yeah, it has a bathroom. This is the bathroom. It has a bathroom. This is where I do my nighttime routines and all. So yeah, my personal effects. The bathroom has like a, you know, like a something, yani, what is it called, like a door on its own. So yeah. What else? Yeah, I think that's it for the house. I think we're done. So let's do like a one more round, right? Oh, also I have I'm using this runners, right? you know, because of especially the cold time and everything. And it's just a nice touch, you know, but I wanted to change it into the far one. Although I still feel this one is okay, but I wanted to change it into a far one, right? So, yeah. I think that's it. Relaxing and very nice, and you know, and all. So yeah. So yeah, that's it from me, guys.